Well, that is their job, to be frauds, but whatever. Do not try to scam me. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to achieve this hair color. So this is like a cotton candy type of ombre-ish type of color or whatever. And I want to thank Royalty Beauty for sponsoring this video. This hair, you guys. Let me tell you, Royalty Beauty is an amazing website. If you're not trying to go like to this website, that website to get different kind of stuff, you should definitely head over there. They sell makeup, they sell sunglasses, they sell wigs, they sell a whole bunch of stuff, even like gym attire. It's just everything in one website. So I highly recommend this website. They sent me this wig and the quality of it is amazing. You'll see how I handle this wig and how I achieve this color in this video. But before that, don't forget to hit the like button down below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. Let's get down to business. Alright, so this is the wig from Royalty Beauty in its natural state. I haven't done anything to it and I'm looking hella crazy, but this is it. It's nice and soft. Alright, and right here I have a boiling water in a clear bowl, and I'm going to be using this to dye the wig, but I'm going to put it to the side. And now what I'm going to do is protect the lace, okay? So I'm going to take my Got2b spray and spray everywhere and make sure that I get it nice on the whole lace, because if you don't do this, your lace won't look natural. And now I'm going to take my blow dryer and set it on the cool settings, and I'm going to dry the spray that I had put on there, and I'm gonna put just a little bit more and I'm gonna dry it again. And now I reverse the wig back and I'm just brushing the wig back in place. Alright, now it's time for the fun part. I'm going to take the dyes that I got to color this wig, and I'm using my favorite Adore colors. This is the best for watercolor in soft lavender and cotton candy. I got 2 cotton candies, but I really only used 1 in this tutorial. Alright, now I'm going to take my bowl of very hot water and I'm going to add cotton candy to it first. So I take off the lid and then I'm just going to pour everything that's in that bottle in there. And I make sure to put some water in there to make sure that I got all the product that's in there. And then I'm going to mix it up. And you have to make sure that it's mixed well and properly, because if it's not, then you won't get the color that you're looking for. And then now I'm going to take soft lavender and I'm going to put just a tiny bit in there. And the reason why I'm not putting all of it is because I want to do an ombre effect. So I'll be putting the ends a bit darker. So now I'm making sure to mix it properly so that I get a nice and even color. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a strand of the wig, and preferably at the back, just to test and see if this is the color I wanted to achieve. So I'm looking at it and I'm seeing this is definitely the color I want for the wig, as you can see. And now I'm ready to dye the full wig. So I take the clear plastic bowl and I start dipping the wig. And you want to make sure that you take your time doing this, because if you just quickly do it, it's literally not going to take the color. There's still going to be some strands that are still blonde and stuff, so just definitely take your time. And because you protected your lace, don't worry about the lace too much, just keep dipping it. And the water is very hot, so this is why I took a brush and I'm trying to use that instead to just make sure that it's nicely dyed. But I'm taking it out the water and I'm seeing how nice it looks. It's a nice cotton candy color. And I'm just taking out the middle a little bit, and then I'm gonna put it back in the water so that I can make sure that the middle of the wig is nice and taken. And now I'm just brushing out the wig and making sure that all the strands have been taken and all the strands are pink. And I'm really happy with the results. And now it's time to do the ombre effect. Alright, now I'm going to take the rest of the soft lavender that I had. Remember, I didn't use the whole thing. And I'm going to mix it and wait until it's a nice and darker purple color. Because remember, I want it to be ombre and I want my ends to be a bit darker. Just to show you guys how it looks. You see, it still kind of looks clear, but it's much darker than it was when it was only pink. So what I'm doing now is I'm literally just dipping the ends and making sure that the ends are a nice and darkish purple. And I am loving the results. I mean, look how beautiful the color is. It's such a nice cotton candy color. Okay, so I rinsed off the wig and I let it air dry overnight, and that's how it looks. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take my powder foundation right here, my NYX foundation, with a powder brush, and I'm going to that's how I'm gonna taint the lace. I'm going to just go over the whole entire lace, especially in the front, so that when I put on my wig and I glue it on and everything, it can just be a beautiful transition and it could look nice and natural. And what I realized that this does too is that it makes the roots a bit brown, so it kind of makes it look even more natural too. Alright, so after I'm done doing that, I'm going to put my hair back so that I can cut my lace. Okay, so as I showed you guys, I cut the lace and everything, and I'm really excited and happy about how it turned out. Yeah, so basically all I really have to do right now is just try to blend it out a little bit. The lace is really good quality, but as I showed you guys in my last video, or whichever video that I was showing you guys how I put on my wig, I used the Got2b spray. And I'm just going to spray a little bit on my finger and then I'm gonna dab it on. The reason why I'm gonna do that is because I don't want it to drip like it did last time, you know, so. And the Got2b can be really messy, especially if you already put on your makeup, like how I have it on right now. So I'm just gonna spray it on my finger and then put it. So I put some on my finger and then I just. And this really helps it blend and melt with your skin. And I thought about doing baby hairs, you guys, but like, I don't know, I'm not that great at doing baby's hair in the first place. I said baby's hair. Baby hair in the first place, so I think that I'm just gonna leave it how it is right now. You know who keeps calling me, like those fraud people who are like, this is Revenue Canada calling for. It's like, you guys, get a job. Well, that is their job, to be frauds, but whatever. Do not try to scam me. Scam them there. Okay, anyways. As it gets tacky, that's when it gets easier. So I'm just gonna keep my finger down. Yeah, just like that. And you see how it like melts? How it's melting and it's blending much better with my skin. That's what I want. Okay? And then I'm gonna take my powder and I'm just gonna go over it, like right here. I know it looks really white, you guys, don't worry. Everything is blendable. and then you just kind of take off the excess powder, just like that. And there, now it's like, you know. So I think I'm gonna straighten it, and I'm gonna add a little bit of a curl to it. So okay guys, so I straightened the hair and I'm so tempted to leave it straight. I really like it, but the look I was going for was like a wavy type of, you know, but I don't know, I guess I'll figure it out. Yeah, so right now I'm gonna use the Queen Key Luxurious Hair products. So I'm gonna use their mousse and their wax stick. And you guys, I already told you guys from before, this is my favorite line when it comes to these type of products for wigs. Like, they're amazing, you guys. So definitely go check them out. So I'm just gonna try my best to lay the hair a little bit more so it could be nice and flat. So I'm gonna take their mousse, which smells really good. So I just took this amount and I'm literally just gonna put it on my sides and like basically at the top, right, just right here. And then I'm gonna take this really fine brush, not brush, comb, you guys know what I mean. And I'm literally just gonna trying to like lay it down nice and flat. Put this behind my ear, just like this, okay? And then I'm gonna take their wax stick, which is the product that I literally swear by. Like, this wax stick is everything. I'm gonna take some and I'm just gonna put some at the same places where I put the mousse, and this is really the magic trick to making everything super flat and laid. And again, these products smell really good. You see how like just literally just laid my wig? That's what I was looking for. I don't even think I need to say anything. Oh my gosh, I am feeling myself, period, okay? Like, you guys, all my life, okay, I've been that girl who just sticks to wearing black hair or whatever. And then recently I've been opening my horizon and, you know, going with like, so now I'm like a ginger. I love being a ginger and everything. But when Royalty Beauty sent me this wig, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try something different. I saw a picture of Nicki Minaj and I'm like, let me try pink hair, okay? I mean, yeah, I'm studying to become a lawyer, but before I'm an attorney and stuff like that, like, I can have fun with, you know, different kinds of colors of hair, whether or not it's considered professional or not. But you guys, I am loving the outcome. I'm so happy that I curled it. Yeah, like, this is just, I'm so happy, you guys. Like, I don't even know what to say. I feel like a different person, and yeah, like, what do you guys think about this color on me? Let me know what you guys think. Tell me if you like it. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial on how to achieve this hair. As you can see, like, the purplish color is really faint at the bottom right here. But other than that, like, I really like the color that it came out. It's a very like cotton candy type of color. As you guys know, don't forget to like, subscribe, all of that. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. What other colors do you guys want me to show you? I'm thinking next time I'm probably gonna show you guys how to dye your hair like the same orangey ginger color that I dye my other wigs, so, and that I dyed my own hair too. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will catch you guys next time. I'm really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me.